I do recall going to primary school. Initially, I'd gone to a Yiddish school, but the Yiddish school was located in downtown Montreal. So the bus driver couldn't continue to take me. So I had to cease going there and went to, you know, what we would think of as public school, except in Montreal they were denominational school boards. So you either went to the Catholic school board, the French Catholic or the English Catholic or the English Protestant school board. Those were the three school boards. And so, you know, in our area it was the Protestant school, and we went there. And every morning they would have, you know, sing Christian song, Onward Christian Soldiers, and you know, almost everyone in the class was Jewish. Not 100%, but certainly, you know, in the 90s somewhere. So.